Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming access rights and required subscriptions. This avoids wasted time later. Once signed into the Azure portal, navigate directly to the Learn Sandbox or the Sandbox resource. Click Start to provision an isolated environment. Make sure to note the time limit and resource quota since sandboxes expire. Configure a strong temporary password if prompted, and choose region and size according to the module. Doing these first steps gets your lab ready fast and prevents permission errors as you proceed. Once the sandbox is active, deploy the resources the module requires. This includes VMs, storage accounts, and app services. Use the dashboard to monitor CPU, memory, and quota usage so you do not hit limits. Make adjustments if needed. Connect via Cloud Shell, SSH, or RDP using the provided credentials and run setup scripts or tests. Make sure to store important files in the sandbox's persistent storage or export them. Otherwise, they will be lost when the sandbox ends. To finish, export any artifacts you need, then stop or delete the sandbox to free resources. If something goes wrong, first restart the specific service or VM. This often clears transient errors. If restarting fails, check quota and subscription limits, then review activity logs for permission denials. Once done, rerun start to reprovision the environment if necessary. Remember to document commands and configs. That saves time on the next sandbox session and prevents repeat troubleshooting steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.